Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you how to transfer XRP from Robinhood to a decent wallet. Before we start, make sure you meet two requirements on Robinhood. First, your identifier must be verified. Second, two-factor authentication must be enabled, either with SMS or an authenticator app. Once that is done, we can begin. First, open your Decent wallet, scroll down and tap Add Account or the plus icon. Next, use the search bar to find XRP, select it, give the account a name if you want, and tap Add Account. Now, open the XRP account and tap Receive. Here, you will see your wallet address. Depending on the network, you may also see a destination tag. Copy the address and tag if one is shown. Next, open the Robinhood app, tap Crypto at the bottom, scroll down and select XRP. Now tap Send. You can either scan the QR code from your Decent wallet or tap Enter manually and paste the wallet address. Tap Continue, then enter the amount of XRP you want to send and tap Preview. Robinhood will ask where the crypto is going. Select to Myself, then Continue. Now, review all the details, the amount, wallet address, and network fee. Everything looks correct, tap Submit. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe in the channel.